Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to duplicate a document on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications, and then navigate to OneDrive. Go within Admin and then My Files. Now let's click on a folder called 2024 that was created in the previous tutorials. And this folder should contain some content such as a video, photo, and a document. We will now click on that document. Go to the three dots and click on Copy To. This should now open up a new window. Let's go back to My Files. Create a brand new folder. Let's call this folder Document 2024. Create. And now let's copy here the document. We can now see that copied one item to document 2024. So let's now go back to home. Go to My Files. And there we have it, document 2024. Let's now click on that document. And this document therefore opens up in Microsoft Word through SharePoint in Office 365. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.